This is Dr. Sumit, and I am a urologist and a kidney transplant surgeon at Paras Hospital, Gurugram. I am going to talk today about a very common clinical problem among elderly males, that is a prostate problem. Now, what is prostate? The prostate, it is a gland which is there in relation to the upper part of the pipe of the urine, that is the urethra, and it is a walnut shaped gland which surrounds the upper 3 to 4 centimeters of the urethra. The function of the prostate gland, it is to produce some amount of seminal secretions, the fluid that we get during ejaculation. Around 0.5 to 0.7 ml of this fluid, it comes from the prostate. The prostate gland, it is present in body of all the males. However, it does not cause any problem till one attains the age of around 50 years. As the individuals become 50 years old or more, the size of the prostate gland, it starts increasing. Now, as I told you, the prostate gland, it is there in relation to the upper 3 to 4 centimeters of the pipe of the urine, which is called the urethra. As the prostate starts enlarging, it compresses upon this urinary passage and makes it narrow. The enlargement of the prostate can be because of a benign process, which is called benign prostatic enlargement or BPH. It can, in rare cases, also be because of growth of cancer in the prostate. How would an individual know that he is having a problem with his prostate gland? So, as I told you, if an individual is of age more than 50 years and the prostate is enlarging and compressing upon the urinary passage, it can lead to two kinds of symptoms. The first category of symptoms, it is called voiding symptoms. Voiding symptom means passing urine becomes difficult, and at all the steps of passage of urine, there can be difficulty. For example, if the individual goes to pass urine, he has a sensation to pass urine, he has undressed himself and he has taken the position to pass urine, however, the urine does not come. It takes some time for the urine stream to start. This symptom, it is called hesitancy. There is a hesitancy in initiating passage of urine. Now the urine is coming, but the urinary stream is very poor. The kind of urinary stream that you used to get, which was very thick and strong, now the urinary stream, it is very slow. It sometimes dribbles. So this is called poor urinary stream. Sometimes the individual would have to contract the abdominal muscle in a bit to pass urine. This is called straining. Even while the urine is coming out, the urine will stop, it will come again, it will stop, it will come again, and the whole act of passing urination, it goes like this with multiple pauses in between. This is called intermittency. Now, even when you have passed all the urine and the urine stream has stopped, there is still a sensation that some amount of urine is remaining. This is called sense of incomplete evacuation. So these are the voiding symptoms that because of prostate an individual might have. The second subset of symptoms, it can be storage symptoms. Storage symptoms mean the act of holding urine becomes difficult. The God has created a reservoir in the passage of the urinary tract, which is the urinary bladder. The function of the urinary bladder is peacefully hold the urine till a substantial amount of urine is accumulated in the urinary bladder. When the individual gets a sensation to pass urine, he goes and empties the urinary bladder. Had the bladder not been there, 24 hours we would be passing urine. Now, if the act of storage of urine becomes difficult, what can happen? There would be increased frequency to pass urine. The normal capacity of urinary bladder is around 500 ml, and at this level, an individual typically goes and passes urine. But here, the storage capacity becomes less. It is 150 ml or 200 ml. so that the frequency of going and passing urine, it becomes double or triple. Sometimes there is urgency. When the urine comes, it becomes difficult to hold. Sometimes there is urge incontinence. That means the difficulty to hold the urine, it is so much that even before you are able to reach to the bathroom, the urine would leak in the undergarments. There can be nocturia, which means that the individual will get up multiple times in the night to pass urine. So this subset of symptoms, it is called storage symptoms. Now, in almost 90 to 95% of the individuals, these symptoms can be comfortably managed using medicines. However, if there are bothersome symptoms despite the medicines, it becomes an indication for removal of the prostate gland. So the indications that you require surgery for prostate, it includes if there are bothersome symptoms despite very regularly taking medicines, if despite taking medicines the urine stops and it requires putting a pipe for you passing urine, if the pressure to pass urine is so much that it is causing dilatation of the kidneys and the kidney functions, they get deranged, if because of obstruction there is formation of urinary stone in the urinary bladder, if there is repeated urinary infection because of enlarged prostate, or if there is refractory passage of blood in urine, multiple episodes despite the medicine, then it is better you get operated. The operation for removal of the prostate, which is benign, it is pretty simple. It is an endoscopic procedure which does not require giving any cut on the body. It is done by passing a small pipe into the urinary passage, and from within only, using either electrosurgical current or laser, the whole of the prostate can be removed and the obstruction, it can be relieved. Thank you so much for your patient listening.